Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify vector sharpness in Illustrator for large murals, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Illustrator and load your mural artwork. Ensure your artwork is in vector format to maintain sharpness. Select the artwork you want to verify for sharpness. Navigate to the View menu at the top of your screen. Click on Outline or press Ctrl+Y on a PC, or Command+Y on a Mac. This will change your view to outline mode. Inspect the edges of your artwork in this mode. Check for any paths that appear jagged or pixelated. If you notice imperfections, select the specific paths. Use the Direct Selection tool to refine these points. Smooth out any irregularities by adjusting the anchor points. Next, exit outline mode by repeating the previous shortcut. Now, zoom in on crucial areas of your mural. Use the Zoom tool or press Ctrl++ on PC, or Command++ on Mac. Ensure all elements maintain clean lines when zoomed in. If there are raster images, confirm their resolution. Select any raster images and check their properties in the Links panel. For high-quality prints, raster images should ideally be 300 dpi or higher. Use the Transform panel to adjust the size of raster images if necessary. Reconfirm your vector artwork is free of overlapping paths. Utilize the Pathfinder tool to merge any overlapping shapes. Perform a final export check by going to File Export. Select your desired file format and settings for output. For large murals, consider exporting as a PDF or EPS for scalability. Review the export settings for print quality. Open the exported file in a PDF viewer to double-check sharpness. Look for any unexpected distortions or loss of quality. Make necessary adjustments in Illustrator if you find any issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.